It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and once again, we're on board our 185 Flight Series Bayliner. It's a 2013 model running a 4.3 multi-port injected engine with 125 guaranteed and verified hours, and we want to show you the inside of this boat. The big feature is the extended swim platform on the 185 Flight Series boat, as well as a monster tower for wakeboard and tube towing, etc. Water sports, full lounge bench across the back, great looking cockpit, bench seat in the back of the boat too, and you have two bolster seats at the helm station here. So you can see that one bolster on the port side and another bolster on the starboard, so you can sit up a little bit higher when you're operating the boat to be able to see. Great looking dash, the instrument's in great shape. It's got a Jensen stereo, all the typical things you would see in a boat like this, including a 12-volt socket for charging your phones, etc. And there's the front of the boat. It has a bow cover, it has a cockpit cover, it has the bimini top too. It's a complete unit. It's in great shape. Look at that, the upholstery's absolutely flawless in this boat. It is a 185 Bayliner Flight Series boat. These were real expensive boats, and this is a perfect example, realistically priced as well. And it's running the 4.3 multi-port injected engine with 125 guaranteed and verified hours. Look at the engine room compartment in here. There's the engine right there. 4.3 MPI. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. Been in business over 30 years. Part of the reasons we're so successful is because we sell boats like this. This is a super clean model. Somebody's got a great running boat. We sure look forward to hearing from you. pacificcoastyachtsales.com. You can phone Christie at 604-317-3847. It's located at our service facility in Richmond, British Columbia, based out of Shelter Island Marina. You can tow it with a Mercedes. You can tow it with a SUV. You can tow it with a truck. No issues there whatsoever. Great looking boat. We look forward to hearing from you. Give us a call. Thanks again for watching.